Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can open online Excel file in desktop app. It's pretty easy. Right now my file is open online and I wanna open it in desktop mode. So for that, we just need to go to this editing drop down and you will able to see the option open in desktop. For some reason, if you're not able to see this right here, you can do instead, just go to file, look for info and you should be able to see open in desktop option here as well. So you just need to click on this option open in desktop, click on open Excel, and yeah, there you go, the file is successfully opened in desktop app. Now you can just make any changes you want on this file and the changes will be applied on the online file as well. So let me just type inactive here. Okay, we just have to save this file here, then you can just close the Excel app and let's see if the changes are applied on the online file or not. So for that, we just need to click on this option continue here. The page will refresh and just after few seconds you'll notice that the changes also applied on the online file, and it is that easy to open online Excel file in desktop app. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.